Alright, hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Python Shorts here at Learn with Anirudh. So let's quickly get started with this question. Now, there's a simple piece of code in front of you all. I just want to find out what is the output for the following piece of code. It's nothing but a very simple print statement. Do pause the video here, do take a second to understand what it does, and let me know. And if you have done that, you will understand that this will give you a very simple syntax error. Now, why is the case? What is wrong with the statements? Let's quickly go ahead and take a look at how we can fix it. So alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have opened up Google Colab here just like any other episode of Learn with Anirudh where we work with Python. Now, this is the problematic statement. As you can see, all we're trying to do is we're trying to have a simple print statement in which we're trying to print some stuff just like any other statement. Now, if you're a person who knows how to work with Python, just by looking at the coloring on your screen, just by looking at the syntax coloring, you can tell that there is something wrong here. Of course, there is something wrong here. We have misused a lot of these double quotes, as you can see, and your Python interpreter is confused about what is going on with these double quotes, because the second it sees multiple double quotes here, it doesn't know where the syntax has to end. So it's going to give you an invalid syntax error. So how do we go about fixing it? Well, to fix it, it's pretty simple, ladies and gentlemen. You should know this at this moment of time. With Python, you can use a combination of both single quotes and double quotes to achieve exactly this purpose. So take a look at the print statement on your screen right now. Instead of having double quotes here, we just have single quotes. And right now you can see the uniform coloring between all of these. This is exactly the statement that is going to get printed for us, right? Right from this braces to this statement. Let me go ahead and run this. As you can see, we have this exact statement to be printed. Now I can print anything that I want here, right? I can just put my name here as well if that is what I want. And as soon as I hit execute, of course, it runs fine. And it can also be done in the other way. Here we had the double quotes on the outside and single quotes on the inside. You can of course switch that around. You can have the single quotes on the outside and double quotes on the inside to go about giving you that extra sense of clarity and helping Python understand how to go about sensing and getting a feel for this particular piece of code. So ladies and gentlemen, with that, we are done with this episode of Learn with Anirudh Shorts, Python Shorts number 1. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one really soon.